Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're installing a new steering wheel for the truck. No more plastic Grant. All this wear and cracks and stuff. So this one's from Grip Royal. And that thing's pretty clean, honestly. Yeah, I was so excited last night. I had to test fit it on my hub here. But yeah, this thing's pretty clean. So you just get your Allen key here. And let's take off all these bolts. I'm not gonna need these anymore. Can't torque it enough. These are on tight. Oh, and the steering wheel's gonna fall here. Alright, got all the bolts off. Pull this off here. Set that down. So now I just need to get my socket, which is buried in here. I believe it's a 1/2 inch. Oh, it's too big. There we go. So I've got my 1/2 inch socket here. Struggling with my sockets. Go by a little bit faster here. Man, these bolts are like, take forever to get off. Alright, so now I need to find my other ratchet, which is buried in this truck, to get the center bolt off, which I believe is a 19mm. Alright, now I found my ratchet here. Alright, I'm gonna have to set you guys down. See if I can do this one-handed here. Alright, cool. Let me just take the nut off. And let's just throw the bolt. And all we gotta do is slide the new hub on, put the nut on, and the washer, and we're good to go. And just tighten these 3 little bolts inside, because old school life, That's one. Alright, those should be tight enough. I'll put my washer on there. And nut. That's tight. And then we're gonna open my steering wheel button here. Probably not gonna rock it without that for now. Get my steering wheel. Gotta put this on the bottom. And then you slide this. It's hard to do one-handed here. And you sandwich that in there. And then you should be able to just bolt it on here. And just tighten down. As I drop my Allen key here. Tighten down the bolts. All the way down. So many bolts to tighten. And then that's it. Slide your horn button in. And that's it. That's how you convert to 6-bolt from 5-bolt. Just really honestly just change the hub. This one's pretty old, honestly. Let's get a size comparison here. They're about the same, honestly. That's dope. There we go. Now that looks clean. You can't tell me that doesn't look dope. Alright guys, thanks for watching the vid. Appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.